Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a vlog on my hair color process. So I colored my hair a few days back and I filmed the whole process to show you guys, and don't worry, this video includes all the information you will need for the hair color. I know my last vlog got a bit of hate. I mean, not hate, but some people did not like it because I did not specify the exact hair color name because I didn't ask for it. But this time I asked everything and I will tell you all the details. Today's comment shout out goes to Being Messy. I don't know your real name, but I really appreciate your comments on all my videos. So it all started with global color. Now I have thode se highlights from my last color. I had colored it in July 2019, so I have thoda sa brown highlights on the ends. So to even it all out, we used a global color first, and I also have a lot of gray hair near my root area, so it would cover even that. And the color we used for this is the L'Oreal color 4.45, that is mahogany copper brown. This is the L'Oreal Majirel color. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Majirel or Mahirel or Magiel, not sure, but that's the shade name. This is the reference picture, but I'm sure you'll get a better picture if you just google this color. There are a lot of pictures online. So he applied this color all over my hair as a global color. So now a little backstory. Now to ask for the color, I had saved a lot of Pinterest pictures and I showed it to him like this is how I want it, and I actually wanted a similar thing which I did last time, but he suggested to do something different instead of doing the same thing. This is a different guy, by the way. The last guy was different, but the salon is the same. He suggested to go for this copper kind of shades, and I actually wanted like brownish color with a little bit of mahogany in it, and the shades looked good on the paper, so I agreed to it. He let the color sit in my hair for about 30 minutes I guess, and then he washed it off. Then it was time for the highlight, so I asked for a balayage. Till now I have colored my hair 3 times. This was my 3rd time, and I've always got balayage done because balayage looks really natural. I mean, the blend looks natural and it doesn't look like a harsh highlight. That's why I love balayage. For that he applied a pre-lightener so that the color which is applied on top actually looks like that, because it's difficult to show color on our natural black hair. So he applied this pre-lightener first, and we left it I think for about 20 minutes, and later I think to speed up the process, I'm not sure why he did that, he took a hair dryer and the foils which he had applied, he gave it a little bit of warmth, and I feel it is to fasten up the lightening process. And I'm not sure why he did that because I did not want a very light color. I had specified it before only that I don't want it to be very light. I wanted to blend with my natural hair color, and I think he did it probably because we were getting late. So I actually came in the salon at 3 p.m. and the salon closes at 8 p.m. So by the time my highlight process was done, it was almost 8, and my haircut was also remaining, and even the styling was remaining. So I think he was trying to speed up the process. So after it was lightened, it was time to wash my hair again. At this point I could not see how my hair is looking. I did not check it in the mirror, otherwise I would have freaked out because it looked so blonde, like so yellow. I would have definitely freaked out. I'm freaking out right now looking at this footage, but that time I did not see it. And Saish looked at it and I was asking him, how does it look like? He's like, I don't know. Like he didn't even say anything. He just said it with his face expression. So I kind of guessed that it must be looking bad. But anyway, after the color is applied, it will look better. So the highlight color was again from the same L'Oreal Mahirel or Majirel color range, 6.45, that is mahogany copper dark blonde. So he applied it on the hair and it was getting really late, so I think it did not get covered properly because I can still see some hair pieces which look yellow and blonde. But anyway, this was applied all over, and we waited for I think 5-10 minutes before washing it off. I really wish the lightener wasn't kept for that long because it made my hair really very light, and I don't like blonde colors. I don't like blonde in my hair, and I think the color which is applied later should have been kept for longer, but it was getting late, so I did not say anything. and after it was washed off, it was time for a haircut. So he gave me a layer cut. He just gave a few layers in my hair just to cut some dead ends, because I had not got a haircut since Feb or March, and I was having mixed feelings looking at my color, but I was waiting for the styling, because hairstyling can make difference. It can make your hair color look much better, so I was waiting for that. So then he blow dried my hair and it looked okay. I mean, I wasn't very happy with it because the color was too light. It wasn't like I expected it to be, and also the highlights were looking bit harsh. It wasn't blending naturally with the colors. There was a contrast between my global color and the highlight color. They were not blending properly, but I didn't say anything because it was getting very late and they were too sweet. They all had to stay late for me till 8:30. They all stayed. I'm sure they must be wanting to go home by 8, but they waited for me, so it was really sweet of them. When I came home with the hair color, I freaked out, okay, because it looks different in different lightings, and at home it looked way too light. It looked blonde, and on top of that my hair had become like Monica because it rained. The blow dryer did not stay at all. My hair had become poofy and it was all over the place, and I freaked out. I was crying. I freaked out, but after styling it looked a bit better, but still I'm not sure of the color. It looks different in different lightings, but anyway, it looks better when I wear my hair naturally curly, because the contrast actually makes the curls look nice. The color actually looks pretty good, but it was difficult for me to accept it because I had expected something else. I don't know, I cannot get the image of my last time's color out of my head, because I'm like, I want the same thing again. So yeah, it's not bad, it's just my mind. I might try to make it work, but I'll see. After maybe 2-3 months I might color it again if I don't like it. But yeah, this was my hair color process. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked my hair color, and what do you think of it, and if you think I should change it or not. Please let me know. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.